How to fix Snapchat after getting banned on your Snapchat. Today guys I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First guys, you will just go and open your Snapchat or your settings first. Then you go to apps or applications. You will find here all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search for Snapchat. And when you found it, click on it. You will find this list of options. Go to storage and go to the last button here, clear data, and click OK and back, and go to first stop here and click OK and back again to your homepage to Play Store and update Snapchat. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.